Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, in a class of students, 50 played cricket, 50 played football and 40 played volleyball. 15 played both cricket and football. 20 played both football and volleyball. 15 played both cricket and volleyball and 10 played all the three. If every student played at least one game, find the number of students and how many played only cricket, only hockey and only volleyball. This is football, only football and only volleyball. So that is what you have to find out here. So all the students are playing one of the three games or more than one: cricket, football and volleyball. So you can represent it by using three circles. So you are having three circles here. One will be representing the students who are playing cricket, and one will be representing the students who are playing football, and one will be representing the students who are playing volleyball. So let this be cricket, this be football and this be volleyball. Okay, C, F and V. Now what is given? 50 students played cricket. Okay, so total number of students who played cricket is equal to 50, and for football it's again 50, and 40 students played volleyball. Okay, now you have to find out each portion of these circles. That is our aim. So it is given like 15 played both cricket and football. Okay, 10 played all the three. So all the three means this shaded portion. This shaded portion will be giving you all the three. So that shaded portion is equal to 10. Okay, so let's draw these circles once more, a little big, so that you can write inside the circles itself. Okay, so this is volleyball and this is cricket and this is football. Okay, so what is given? It is given like this circle, the overlapping portion of all the three. This is equal to 10. It is given like 10 people are playing all the three. So 10 people is equal to the intersection of all the three: volleyball, cricket and football. Now volleyball and cricket, how many students are playing? Volleyball and cricket 15 are playing. That means this portion will be 5. Okay, volleyball and cricket means this total overlapping portion will come. But here 10 are playing all the three. So here already there is 10. So 5 will be playing only volleyball and cricket and not football. Okay, so how did you find that? 15 played both cricket and volleyball and 10 played all the three. So you can split up 15 as 10 and 5. Now next, volleyball and football, how many people are playing? Volleyball and football 20 are playing. Okay, 20 are playing both volleyball and football. So here 10 already is there, so remaining 10 will come here. Okay, so first itself you have to complete the different portions of the three circles. So it will be very easy to find out the solution. So volleyball and football 20 students are playing. So this total overlapping portion will be 20. Out of this 10 will come already in the intersection of all the three circles. 10 are playing all the three games. So 10 already has come here. So remaining 10 will come in this portion. Now the only one remaining is cricket and football. Cricket and football, how many are playing? 15 are playing both cricket and football. So 10 has come here. That means 5 will be coming here. So that much is completed. Now you have to find out how many people, how many students are there in total. It is not given. And how many played only cricket, only football and only volleyball. So that is what you have to find out. So that means you have to find out this portion. So this portion will be representing only volleyball, and this portion will be representing only cricket, and this portion will be representing only football. So before you go into that, let's find out the number of students. Okay, so for that, for three events also we are having a particular formula. In the last video we already saw how to find out A union B or A intersection B by using the formula N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Similarly, for three events you will be having the formula like N of A in A union B union C will be equal to, that means those who are participating in either C or B or C or two of them or all the three likewise. The total of A union B union C will be equal to number of students who are participating in A plus number of students who are participating in B plus number of students who are participating in C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C. You are taking two at a time. Minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. The people who are participating in all the three events. So now what you will be having? You will be having like here cricket, football and volleyball are coming. So let's represent it. So let's represent it like N of C union F union V. The students who are participating in either cricket or football or volleyball or a combination of two of them or all the three like that, the total number of students will be equal to number of students who are participating in cricket plus number of students in football plus number of students in volleyball minus number of students in both cricket and football minus number of students in football and cricket minus number of students in cricket and volleyball plus number of students who are participating in all the three. Okay. So what you will be getting in total? You will be getting like number of students in cricket is equal to 50 plus number of students in football is also equal to 50 and number of students in volleyball is equal to 40 minus in both cricket and football 15 are there. In both football and cricket how many are there? 15. Again 15. First one is cricket and football. Oh, both I have written same. Now for football and volleyball. Okay, sorry. So the football and volleyball is equal to 20. So minus 20 minus cricket and volleyball. It is again 15. Okay, plus 10 in all the three. So 50 plus 40 minus 15 minus 20 minus 15 plus 10, which will be giving you 100. Okay. So 100 students are there in total. So first part of the question you found out. Now we are going to find out the second part of the question. Second part is how many students are playing only football, how many students are playing only cricket and how many students are playing only volleyball. So these pink portions are what we have to find out. The total volleyball circle is equal to 40. Okay, 40 students are playing volleyball. So out of this, all these three portions are already filled. So this portion only you have to fill. So what will be this portion? This portion will be equal to 40 minus 10 minus 10 minus 5. Okay, from 40, total is 40. So 40 minus 10 minus 10, 5. All these three you have to subtract from 40. Or you can tell 40 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. All these three you are adding together and from the total 40 you are subtracting. So 40 minus 10 plus 5, which will be giving you 40 minus 25, which is equal to 15. So this will be 15. So 15 students will be playing only volleyball. Then what about next one? Only cricket. How many students are there playing cricket? 50. So 50 minus 5, 45. 45 minus 10 is equal to 35 and 35 minus 5 is equal to 30. So 30 students will be playing only cricket. Now football, how many students are playing football? 50 students are playing football. So out of that 10 will be here. So 50 minus 10, 40. 40 minus 10 is equal to 30 and 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. So 25 students will be playing only football. So once you draw these three diagrams, once you draw this Venn diagram consisting of three circles, it will be very easy. You can find out within seconds. So what is this portion alone, what is this portion alone and what is this portion alone, which is representing our answer. Students who are playing volleyball alone, cricket alone or football alone. Thank you for watching.